Hello vlog, my goodness, it has been a while since I have done any car vlogging. Yeah, I really don't know the last content that I filmed or like what has been up or anything. I feel like I've been super lax on vlogging recently, but honestly and I feel like I say this a lot, but it's just because we've literally just been working all the time. We've not had a damn break. It's been 2 months. We've still not hired a third manager. That's great. We have a supervisor again, but she only opens, so basically I close 5 nights a week now. The only time I open is when I work a double. Love that for me. Wait, to timestamp this, today is Tuesday, October 19th. I really don't think I vlogged much of anything in September. Again, just because we've just been working all the time and it sucks. I have a day off today, and it's very unusual for me to have a day off on a day that Bobby has to work. Normally, he's been having a day off when I have to work, so the situation is flipped and it's weird. But anyway, I just dropped him off at work, and then I just ran into Safeway really quick to get a few things. I couldn't get half of what I needed to get, which was annoying, so I think I'm gonna go try to see if ABC has anything in stock, or maybe Ross has what I need. I don't know. I'm just driving home right now, and I'm in traffic, which is why I decided to car vlog, because it's pretty boring. There's a lot of road work, so we're down to 1 lane on Highway 30 right now, which is love that for me. Yeah, I'm just gonna go home and hang out with the Gooblin and make lunch. It's like 1:22 right now, and I'm really hungry. Have some coffee. I have not had any coffee today. I'm starting to get a caffeine headache from that. Bobby and I are both off tomorrow, and Thursday are kind of normal days off together. I do have a couple of things to do over the next few days, but I don't know. I'll probably vlog a little bit. Because I think the last vlog that we had, like a weekend together, was like when we got the dog. So that was exciting. The things I have to do are a little less exciting. I'm gonna go home, wake the Gooblin up from her nap. I might take her to the beach later. I don't know, it's really fucking hot. She also doesn't particularly care for the beach, so we're trying to get her acclimated to it, because she's an island dog. She has to like the beach. But yeah, we're gonna do maybe that later. If she's behaving, I'll bring her with me when I go pick Bobby up from work tonight, so she can go see Dad. And then tomorrow, I think we might have to drive over to Wailuku for an errand for Bobby, and to double check if he has all his proper documentation for what we need to get. And then Thursday night, football, Broncos, Browns. We'll probably go hang out with Dave and Melissa, and hopefully Pua, to go watch the game somewhere. I don't know, but we'll see. So as you can see, we're home. Hi, Gooblin. Ignore the trash house behind me. Thank you, darling. Having a dog is very messy, especially when she's so destructive, like this one. Like this one. Don't you punch your mom. Thank you, Giraffe Tongue. Anyway, she kind of does this, like, anytime we leave, she acts like we've been gone for 12 years and she thought we were never coming home. But it's really cute, because then she's just excited to see us all the time. I mean, rescues will typically do that anyway, but she's a good girl. Oh, Gooblin. Hi. Yeah, we're just gonna hang out. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat lunch and just chill with the baby for a little bit. Excuse you.
Sorry, we gotta go to work.
What are you doing?
I don't know who Jules more, me or her. Go bug your mom.
What are you doing, you crackhead?
She is still a cop. Excuse me. And she's been bored all day, you can
I
tell.
know.
At least you're not in a cage.
Eat her ass for crapping in the house yet? Bobby?
Not yet.
Hey, girl. Good. Will you get your coat off, hopefully?
But she's taking
Right.
taking it in.
Yeah.
She does that, but Johnny goes down like this.
What'd you get? Thief.
We leave Pooh alone. Hey.
There was a ball over here, right?
You're gonna find out who's fighting that. She gets underneath you and just fucking.
I think she
Yeah.
has the speed. She definitely has the speed, but Pooh has the fucking girth.
She was preferred to always get
Hey, Ray.
right underneath a bigger dog and just get right underneath him.
Pop. Hey, Rum Dum, what you doing? Hi, baby girl.
Comfy, huh?
Hi. What are you doing? Are you in trouble?
What's your leg?
Ray, where are we going? You wanna go get your best friend Pua? Wanna smell this rock first? We're gonna go see Pua. Hi to Pua. Are you with your best friend Ray? Hi, baby
I
girl.
missed you, Pooh. She's so tiny compared to Ray.
I know.
Like, I feel like she's
Hi,
so
baby
tiny.
girl. I know.
Sapporo's trying to protect us. No, that's her toy.
why we are weirdly enough behaving right now. Hey, Jabua. Being good girls? Yeah.
Thank you.
But anyway, to timestamp this, today is Tuesday, October.
Oh shit, it's a boss. Not over me. If you guys fucking fight over me, I will punch you both in the fucking dome.
Anyway. Ow, bitch.